Once, in a small village, there lived a donkey named Bruno. He wasn't just any donkey. He was ordinary in appearance, often overlooked and underestimated by everyone around him. Villagers laughed at him, thinking he was too slow, too stubborn, or too simple to make any difference. Bruno spent his days carrying heavy loads from the market to the village homes. Every day was the same long hours, little appreciation and constant fatigue. Yet deep inside, Bruno had a quiet determination. He wanted to do more than just follow the routine, even if no one believed in him. One day, the village faced a crisis. The main bridge connecting the market and the farmlands had collapsed after a storm. Without it, transporting food, water, and supplies became nearly impossible. Villagers panicked, not knowing how to continue their daily lives. Most animals refused to help. They said it was too risky. But Bruno had an idea. He approached the villagers and quietly volunteered to carry essential supplies, one trip at a time. At first, they laughed. "A donkey? Are you serious? You're too small and slow," they mocked. But Bruno didn't care. He began his work with patience and persistence. Trip by trip, load by load, he transported food, medicine, and water across the broken path. His determination inspired others. Slowly, the villagers began assisting him, some carrying lighter loads, others clearing debris. Days turned into a week, and what seemed impossible began to take shape. Bruno's consistent effort, courage, and patience changed the situation entirely. The village survived the crisis, and the bridge was eventually repaired. The villagers finally understood something profound. It's not the size, appearance, or past reputation that matters, it's determination, action, and heart. Bruno, the donkey no one expected much from, had changed everything for the entire village. Bruno's story spread throughout the neighboring villages. He became a symbol of resilience, courage, and persistence. Children learned from him, villagers respected him, and everyone remembered one essential truth: even the most underestimated can make a huge difference if they refuse to give up. The moral of Bruno's journey is simple yet powerful. Consistent effort creates change. One small step at a time leads to big results. Never underestimate yourself. Others' opinions do not define your potential. Courage comes in all forms. Even the quiet and humble can achieve greatness. Persistence transforms challenges into opportunities. By the end of the story, Bruno had not only helped the village survive, but also inspired every heart to believe in themselves, no matter how ordinary they seemed. The donkey that everyone ignored had changed lives, proving that determination and courage matter more than appearances. The final lesson is clear. No matter who you are or where you start, your actions, patience, and courage can transform the world around you. Never underestimate your ability to change everything. If you seem ordinary,